Hello guys, new amplifier, actually it's the receiver, Yamaha Natural Sound Stereo Receiver RX-397. I don't know what's wrong with it. What's the backside? Backside power plug cut off. Let it open. Okay, so what we can see here: transformer, two relays, transistors, C4468, another one A1695, this 4468 and 1695, and small one in TO 220 C4495, something like that. I see there discrete amplifier building with transistors, capacitors, Nichicon 5600 microfarads, 56 volts. What's this? What's here? Front panel, front PCB with CPU probably. And what's there? TV tuner or radio tuner maybe. Okay, so there is need to connect power plug. Check the fuses and switch on. I soldered power wire, and let's turn it on. Relay clicked, but nothing happens. Opa, what's wrong? Oh, it switched on, but probably this relay clicked. This should be about maybe delay between switching on the receiver and the speakers. What's wrong with button? Switch off. Doesn't want. Something wrong probably with there. Maybe with there. This button. But I think because there power supply for standby. Maybe something wrong with capacitors, like not enough power for switch on the relay. So guys, I found in internet at one Germany site, hi-fi-forum.de, one problem with similar receiver with standby power supply, that high voltage capacitor in high power standby power supply is reduce its capacitance, so should be 22 nanofarads or 47 nanofarads. And let's check the capacitance of this high voltage capacitor in this receiver. So guys, let's check the capacitance of this capacitor and this capacitor. According to Germany's site, the defective should be this one, small 22 nanofarads. Big one, I saw from this his marking, it should be 47 nanofarads. 5.7 should be 22. 47.9, 48. So that's okay. That's okay. Let's replace this one. You will see does it help or not. Now I'm very limited with components, so I found in my stocks capacitors like this one. So totally it will be about similar 20 nanofarads. So I put it together instead this one. So let's try to replace. So let's switch it on. Just connected power. Let's turn it on. Oh, works nice. Works. Very good. Very good. Really? 0 volts. Very nice. Let's connect the speakers and source and check this amplifier at all. Let's turn it on. Speakers connected, source connected, power connected. Let's turn it on. Wow. Guys, it works. It works. It works.
Nueva música de todo el mundo.
Pure direct. YouTube pure direct. Let's turn it on. Off.
Un artista. Urbana Play 104.3.
Treble.
Volvé a escuchar Resident
Bass.
en nuestro canal oficial de YouTube.
Right. Left. Loudness. Works. Need to put some oil inside switches and inside resistors. Left channel. Right channel. So it works. Okay. So put some oil inside resistors and switch and assembly back. final checking. Source connected, speakers connected, power connected. Let's turn it on. Auxiliary. And let the music play.
Urbana Play Music presenta Resident.
Right channel, left channel, loudness,
Cada semana, nueva música de
Treble.
todo el mundo.
Resident,
bass,
Hernán Cataño.
un artista.
but better pure direct.
Urbana Play 104.3.
Pure direct,
Volvé a escuchar Resident
without any
en nuestro
regulations.
canal oficial de YouTube.
The sound much clearer. Left channel, right channel. Very nice. Bye.